Oh, my bad. It's 9:15 p.m. and I'm going to check the spider food I gave. The food is still there. The spider is probably sleeping. No, the spider's right there. You can see the legs. Well, the whole body. I mean, yeah. Okay, I have a better flashlight than my phone. This bright flashlight, motherfucker. Hell yeah. Yeah, right there. You can see the spider. The food is still here. Yeah, that spider absolutely wastes his fucking food. Jesus, that boy's huge. Like, goddamn, that thing is big, bro. My mom is still on her way home. But the good part is, I found more food. Can you just not do that shit? Please? Good girl. My cat always does this shit every time when I come upstairs. She, can you stop fucking looking at me like that, you piece of shit? You fucking asshole. She understands English, oh my god! And the good part is that what the fuck is that? What the fuck is that thing? So there's more fly here. Oh shit, I almost fall. You can see so much insect in there. There's probably 200. But the good part is that I have another pet spider over here. It's a female. She's very small, but the bad news is she's right there. Yeah, that's her. Oh, that's a beetle. Yeah, my spider's right there. That's a female. That's her web. Her web is right there. Don't you go near her. Don't you, you're gonna get eaten. You're going to get eaten. I'm not joking. You're about to get eaten. Oh my god, that beetle got so lucky. So, part 2 will be coming out in just in a minute. Piece of shit, I caught a fucking insect.